Hello guys! Welcome back to another tutorial from GraphicsFamily, your #1 source for free graphic design resources. In today's video you will learn how to create a beautiful 3D logo mockup on black wall, perfect for branding your logo design projects. All the expert designers know how important it is for a logo to look beautiful and attractive for a client, and also for a brand. This awesome 3D logo mockup will instantly grab your customers' attention and increase your logo design sales. The secret to become rich, successful, and happy as a designer is to give your customers a professional vision of what their logo will look like. You must always remember that a well-presented logo design will surely win the bid, for example, in a logo design contest, or when you deliver the design concept to your customers. Keep your logo mockups simple and effective to help clients see exactly what they will be getting in the end. Impress your audience and generate more sales using high-quality logo mockups created by GraphicsFamily expert designers. Are you ready to start? Download this mockup right now and make your new logo worth 1,000 words.